a quick new supplement that I got. It is called it's called something. So, you guys remember 2 weeks ago I was freaking out because I was eating Kind bars every single day and I wasn't following my meal plan and I was just a whole mess. I was even searching diet pills and just blah blah blah. I don't do diet pills. I forgot to watch. Anyway, so there's something, and many of you had told me that I'm probably stressed out, and I was stressed out, and I'm always stressed out, and aren't we always stressed out? And so there's a hormone in our body called cortisol, and cortisol is released when you're stressed. And so when you're having trouble losing weight, part of the problem is hormones, and this hormone called cortisol. And so I was just going crazy, and I bought these pills on a whim. Everything I take in terms of supplements that I've already shared with you that's on your Eat Your Way to Fit meal plan is from this company. It's called First Form. You guys know I also drink L-carnitine. That stuff I could now tell you works. It's amazing. It's so good that I have it on a subscription. Okay, so it comes to my house every 30 days. It's not cheap. I bought this one on a whim. I have heard of cortisol supplements a lot. You may have heard them too. I've read a lot about cortisol supplements, but what I'm telling you is I do not know if they are effective. I just started taking them on Sunday night. Okay, I do not know if they work for fat purposes, but what I did notice now that I've been taking them for 3 days and why I'm sharing with you is I sleep like a baby. I didn't even wake up this morning. I didn't wake up this morning. My husband had to call me to wake me up at 6:40. I missed my cardio morning workout. I went to sleep at 9 and I woke up this morning at 6:45. That's nearly 10 hours. Slept through the night, did not wake up to pee, did not wake up when I was tossing and turning. I slept on the same side of the bed, on my left shoulder, from 9 to almost 7. And now this is day 3 that I have been sleeping like a baby, and that's what I'm sharing with you. If you don't sleep like a baby, that works for sleeping. I don't know if it works for decreasing stress control. It does do nighttime recovery of muscle, and it controls the hormone, but since it's only been day 3, I can't really vouch anything else other than you sleep like a baby. My husband has trouble sleeping, and so I tried it first to see if it helps with sleeping. And this is better than melatonin. So I'll post this in the group. If you guys want to get it, again, it's not cheap. It's $50. I do not work for this company, so I don't get any credit. I'm just sharing it with you. Cool? They did want to give me a code to use with my clients, but in order for me to get a code, I had to learn all of their products, and let's be honest, I don't have time to learn their products. I focus mainly on my products, right? Products and food. So they wanted me to learn about their greens, and I just, no. Anyway. Okay, so I will post that in our group. I'll send you the link